Hey educators, if you are new to my channel, my name is Kate and I am a qualified early childhood teacher with ability to teach in Victoria in Australia, and I am also a qualified early childhood trainer with 11 years of experience teaching early childhood students in vocational education and in the university. I have master's degree, I have graduate diploma of education, certificate 3 in early childhood education and care, diploma of early childhood education and care, certificate 4 in training and assessment, and certificate 4 in teaching English as a second language. I have lots of certificate and lots of years of study, lots of practical experience to support you as an early childhood educator in your role, because I know how and I know your struggles. I've been there. I went through all these difficulties and I successfully solved them.